everybody. It is a rainy day in the Pacific Northwest today. I was planning to do some hikes, so we'll have to see how the weather goes with that. I'm leaving Crescent City and headed up to Oregon, so I have 3 hours to drive today, but there's quite a few trails in Jedidiah State Park, so let's get into it. Okay, this is by far the coolest drive I've done. This is in Jedidiah State Park. It is a rainy day here, and it's cold. But with the mist in this rainforest and these coastal trees, this is beautiful. It's also a little bit scary because it's like a one-way road and it's slippery, and I'm in a rental car, but this is just stunning. This looks like I'm in a movie set, y'all. Oh, this is just beautiful. But, I mean, you fall off the road here, and they ain't never finding you. Party people, I must be feeling exceptionally brave on this tea and travels adventure today, because it's pouring down rain in this rainforest in the Pacific Northwest. But these trees, y'all, I gotta go see these trees. Oh, I'm at this Stout Grave trailhead, and I'm near Crescent City. It only took me about 30 minutes to get here from the beach, which was surprising. But that drive was beautiful. I can't even imagine how cool this trail is going to be. But I'm going to be a muddy mess. All right. No guts, no glory. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, so this is like a 6-mile trail to get to the Grove of the Titans. And I'm adventurous and I really want to see the trees, but I don't think I'm going to make it 6 miles in the rain. And it's cold. It's cold, y'all. I was not prepared for this, but we'll see what we can see. More of these pretty ferns. I noticed in this rainforest part, a lot of these trees are covered in this moss too. The elevation is pretty significant here. Oh, look at that. Okay, guys, we're climbing, climbing, climbing. I don't know if you can see the detail in all of this, but there is moss everywhere. It is growing on all of these trees. It's like everything is alive here. These ferns are so beautiful. Okay, we're about a mile into this Grove of the Titans hike, and it is stunning. It's been uphill a little bit, not terribly manageable, but uphill, and the rain just is giving this like ethereal feel. It's I can't think of the right word. It's like a fairy woods kind of. It's just, I'm really liking it. It feels like alive and just magical, like it's breathing. It's really beautiful. And these trees are so, so big. And with the clouds and the fog going in, it's a very serene kind of place. I'd say the Park Center did a very good job of making this as safe as possible. In areas where it's very downhill like this, there are graded staircases, so you don't have to worry about slipping in the mud. So that's nice. And there are handrails on a lot of the bridge sections, which I didn't notice in a lot of the other hikes I've done this week. So that's a definite perk on this trail. If you are traveling to this part of the world and you want to do some hikes, I would definitely recommend that you check the weather. Bring rain gear, rain protective pants, with those waterproof pants you can slip over your hiking pants. You would definitely stay a lot more comfortable. Wear some thick wool socks, feet stay dry. It's a very, very wet kind of place, but totally worth it. Totally worth it. And it's just a few extra things to throw in your suitcase to make sure you're ready. But do not come on this trail in kicks and I think you're going to be okay. You definitely need some waterproof boots. Oh wow, y'all, look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so cool. I wonder how long that tree's been laying there. We made it to the start of the actual forest part with the giant trees. I'm trying to keep rain from getting on the lens so you can see these trees. I am soaked. Well, not my interior layer. I did wear several layers, but I don't know how much more my raincoat is going to take. I don't want to turn around though. I want to see it all. Oh, these are just stunning. I'm really liking being here in the rain. It's so cool. Okay, well, the rain is coming down a little harder, so I think after this last little platform area, I'm gonna start heading back, but this has been just beautiful. A mountain stream here. Sounds like I found a little waterfall up ahead, but I'm not going exploring in the mud right now. Walking through that little tree cave again. I really like this part. Alrighty, well, my hike in the Grove of the Titans is just about over. It was so pretty. I was so worried about steel coating in the rain, like I was hemming and hawing about if I ought to do it, but do it, and it's worth getting wet. It's beautiful. I mean, it's a rainforest, so might as well see it in the rain, right? It was great. 10 out of 10. Okay, I did it! Yay! I spent about 2.5 hours, I think, hiking on this little trail in the rain. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Loved it. I don't know that my raincoat can handle another hike. It's hanging back there. I might try to do another one. I don't know. But there are 3 hikes around here that were recommended to me. One was the Grove of the Titans. That's the one we just did. It's also like linked to the Mill Creek Trail, so you can look up either one of those. The other one is the Boy Scout Tree Trail. And then the third one is the Stump Trail. So lots of trails up here in Jedidiah State Park. Definitely come check out this park. It's very cool. Hey guys, I am driving back out of this Jedidiah State Park, and it is my last glimpse of the redwood trees because I'm flying out tomorrow, and it's just been so beautiful and I don't want to leave. But I have enjoyed these. I'm gonna miss them so much. They're so beautiful. All right, gotta get to the next adventure though. I can't stay in the rain forever. All right, off to Oregon. Let's see what Oregon's got to show me. Alrighty guys, a monumental moment. I'm scratching another state off my list. I made it to Oregon. Yay! It is a very, very early morning. It is after 3 a.m. and it's my birthday, so I need to get home. I need to be with the people I love on my special day. So my Pacific Northwest adventure is coming to a close. I'm headed to the airport. I am flying out of Rogue Valley Airport, so I just had a little airport hotel just for this few hours that I was waiting for my flight. I'm at the Hilton Garden Inn. Let me show you what it looks like. This is the Hilton Garden Inn in Medford. There's a stand-up shower, toilet, sink, and there is a little teeny tiny kitchenette area. The closet over here was a little bougie. Got the whole full-length mirror. Hello, hello. Some little shelves, bed, TV, chair, and that's it. So my Uber's almost here. Let's skedaddle. Alrighty guys, I have made it back to the New Orleans heat. I forgot how hot it was. It is hot. California's weather is definitely better, but I had a great birthday. My kids surprised me with balloons all in the house with these sweet little notes. We got to go have a hibachi dinner. It was a great, great day. But thanks for tagging along on this last day of adventures. See you in the next place.